he was being...
Ilan ang kasino doon sa marami?
To the customer, right?
Okay.
So the customer, at first they were discussing about how much the customer's changed. And then customer left. He didn't give him the change. He came back and he said something smart, and then the guy just and then took off.
Puro na ito, California side o kaya
And then I think about it,
Ano bago
yung
ba?
Bago yung software. Gamit ng tao pa lang. So, hindi pa siya established. So, bali lang ang mga numbers, bali lang. So, ano lang, base na good.
Ano maganda doon sa
Walang incentive para sa laki.
Tawid lang yun.
Mas malaki po. It's like oil. Hindi pa sa oil.
Black. Black.
I don't want. Let's get